Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search icon and then type here Chrome. Click here to open it. Now in the search bar, you need to paste this link. You will get this link from the description below and hit enter. On this window, just scroll down and download this zip file. Now open file location, drag and drop on the desktop, then right click and select extract all. Then on this window, just double click on this file, run as administrator, then go to more and run anyway. Select S. Now on this window, you need to click on this icon and simply just follow my screen step by step. Select this one, again go back, uncheck this one, uncheck system, then same for Windows Update and Gaming one. Now in the apps permissions, check these all boxes. And click here. Now click here. Now you can remove apps with pumped app. You need to just follow my screen and click on empty bin. Select as. This will take some time. Once done, click on this icon, click on OK. Now just follow my screen. From here you can install apps. That's it. Then click on run installer. This will take some time to complete all processes. It will try to installing all the options those we selected. After that, check this option, that is remove default apps. Again remove OneDrive and then check the update store apps. Also you need to check remove default apps and then select on run selected. Select as, then click on OK. Once done, close this window. Again select OK. Now this process will take some time to complete. Okay, once done, click on OK and close this window. Go to start icon. You can see the changes. Now open settings and go to privacy and security. Then scroll down and click on general. And you need to turn off these all options. Again go to linking and typing personalizations and turn off this option. Again go to speech and turn off this option. Go to search in Windows, just scroll down and again turn off this option also. You need to turn off all the access from the app permissions. You need to just follow my screen and after that close this window. Again go to search bar and type here RSTRUI and click here to open it. Select next. Check this one and click on system restore. Select S. After that it will automatically restart your machine. Wait for some time. Enter pin and hit enter. That's it, click on close. Finally restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.